Are you a musician who's built up a social media presence and now you're looking to make the leap from your home studio into the bona fide recording industry? The path to stardom used to be a long and winding journey, especially if you lived far away from an entertainment hub or didn't have any connections in the industry. That's why marketing yourself online is the way to go today.
In an all-out effort to clean up the city's streets, San Francisco's Public Works Department inaugurated Operation Scrub Down. 3 times a day, city workers move through a 30-block area, cleaning the pavement with high-pressure hoses, rousting squatters and taking away shopping carts filled with refuse and personal belongings.
We feed our Rufus Nature's special menu all-natural dog food. With no artificial colors or flavors, I know that we're treating him as well as he treats us. Nature's special menu all-natural dog food. Found in your major department store. Thank you for calling Tesla Corporation. For customer service, please press 1. For sales, please press 2. For locations and hours, please press 3. To speak to an agent at any time during this call, please press 0 or stay on the line.
Thanks for checking in on your order. Your order of 6 servings of the gluten-free meal has been made and is on the way. Would you like to order another meal? Would you like to review your past orders? Would you like to get a breakdown of the ingredients of our meals? The driver is currently on Lisgar and 5th Street East, and will arrive in approximately 11 minutes at your home address of 121 Elmwood Ave.
He flicked the horse with his whip, and we dashed away through the endless succession of somber and deserted streets, which widened gradually, until we were flying across a broad balustraded bridge, with the murky river flowing sluggishly beneath us. Beyond lay another dull wilderness of bricks and mortar, its silence broken only by the heavy, regular footfall of the policeman, or the songs and shouts of some belated party of revelers. Like many other philosophers, who greatly extended our knowledge of nature, Galileo had a remarkable aptitude for the invention of instruments designed for philosophical research. To facilitate his practical work, we find that in 1599, he had engaged a skilled workman, who was to live in his house, and be constantly at hand to try the devices, which were forever springing from Galileo's fertile brain.
Flowzone is an augmented reality app that is changing the way people work remotely. Here's how it works. First, install the app and connect it with your VR headset. Open Flowzone, and your physical surroundings will instantly be transformed into a workspace that will help you focus when you need to connect with colleagues and blur out the distractions of home. Tired of sifting through classified ads and online directories to find your new home rental? Did you know you can hire a real estate agent to help pinpoint the most suitable units for you and your family? Relieve the stress of finding units and setting up viewings. Connect with one of our trusted real estate agents that specializes in finding rental homes. Visit specializedrealty.com to learn more.
Quaint stone cottages, cute historic pubs surrounded by rolling green hills and little streams flowing through. There are few things in this world more picturesque than a quintessential English village. The countryside of England is home to an abundance of stunning little towns and villages, each one just as pretty as the next. Some are so beautiful, it's hard to imagine that people actually live there and you're not walking through the set of a movie. Full of character and old-world charm, every village has its own story to tell. Quaint stone cottages, cute historic pubs surrounded by rolling green hills and little streams flowing through. There are few things in this world more picturesque than a quintessential English village. The countryside of England is home to an abundance of stunning little towns and villages, each one just as pretty as the next. Some are so beautiful, it's hard to imagine that people actually live there and you're not walking through the set of a movie. Full of character and old-world charm, every village has its own story to tell.
Welcome to Finding Your Financial Future. Our goal is to help you start planning your path to a better and brighter financial future. Let's get started.
Better Me capsule is recommended for adults over 18 years of age who are suffering from adenovirus infections. If you suffer from acute bronchitis, you should avoid taking the Better Me capsule or consult with your physician before starting your doses. Side effects may include inflammation, headaches, and vertigo. For a full list of side effects, visit www.bettermecap.com.